My name is R.Shashi from CSMA. My rule number is 247Y1A6651. Today my topic is asymptotic notations in the algorithm analysis presentation. Introduction. Asymptotic notations describe the running time or space complexity of algorithm as input size grows. We have three types in that we will discuss later. Why asymptotic notations analysis? Helps compare algorithms, focus on growth rate, ignores constant and small inputs. By seeing different algorithms, we can compare them as some in pseudocodes and in English dash language and binary language also. Focus on is the faster rate of the execution of the program. First one is big O notation. Representation the upper bound of an algorithm. Example, big O of n, big O of n square and big O of log n. It describes the worst case complexity. Also observe the clear difference of these three topics. Next one is omega notation. Represents the lower bound of an algorithm, shows the best case performance. There we observed worst case, here the lower bound, here there is observed upper bound and here lower bound. It shows the best case performance. And third one is theta notation. Represent the tight bond when upper and lower bounds are same. When the omega and big O notations are same, thus such type notation called theta notation. Now common complexity classes. We know big O of 1 is constant, big O of log means logarithm, big O of n means linear, big O of n log n, n square quadratic. Like that we measure the complexities. Example, linear search big O of n, binary search big O of n, bubble sort big O of n square. I know the PPT is very simple and clear to understand the concept each and every point. Let's have discuss about the advantages. Helps predict performance, useful for large inputs, standard way to express algorithms efficiently. We can by writing a clear algorithm using these notations, we can predict the best case performance of the code execution or compilation time. Useful for large inputs. Suppose we are taking complex inputs like prime numbers, tic-tac-toe like questions, we just make it easier to understand it. The standard way to express algorithm efficiently. Finally, the conclusion is asymptotic notations are essentially tools for analyzing, comparing algorithm in computer science. Okay, this is the topic about uh, asymptotic notations. We observe three types: omega, big O, and theta. Such kinds of lower bound, upper bound, lower bound, and tight bound. And we say in first case upper bound there we observed, and worst case performance of big O time complexity. In omega we observed lower best case, and in tight case worst average case. So this is about the asymptotic notation conclusion, comparing algorithm in computer science. Thank you.